Hi everyone! In this video, I'll review the Atlas credit card. Let's see if it's worth it or if you should leave it. Let's get started. The Atlas credit card is a rewards-based credit card that offers points for every purchase, which can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or cashback. One of the standout features is its travel rewards. You earn extra points on travel-related purchases like flights, hotels, and dining out. The card also comes with no annual fee, making it a great option for those who want to earn rewards without paying for the privilege. However, there are some downsides to consider. The API can be high, so carrying a balance might not be ideal. Additionally, the foreign transaction fees can add up if you're using the card abroad. So is it worth it? If you're a frequent traveller and you want to earn rewards without a fee, the Atlas credit card might be a good fit. But if you're looking for a low APR and no foreign transaction fees, you might want to look elsewhere. And that's it. You now know if the Atlas credit card is worth it or if you should leave it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.